Hello children. As you know that our grammar section comprises of editing, gap filling, dialogue, writing, reporting a dialogue on a given cue, and these areas are covered by the following topics, which are tenses, modals, use of passive voice, subject verb concord, reported speech, clauses, determiners, and prepositions. So, if you are having knowledge how to use tenses, modals, subject verb, and determiners and prepositions, you will be able to do editing or omission very easily, and gap filling also. Mean, let us continue with editing. Here we'll do 2 paragraphs of editing, and you will see it's very easy to find the errors when we are having some knowledge of grammar, and we have covered all these topics in our earlier classes. So come to this first paragraph, editing it is. We have to find the error we'll write down here, and correction we will write down in the space provided here. So see, due to shortage of land, especially in India, of OFF, which mean at a distance or away from the place, while due to shortage of land, especially in India, we will write on, we'll show the relationship. So we will instead of OFF, there will be of OF, which show the connectivity of these two. Then most of the discard plastics, most of the discard plastic, discard. I know most of the students, they know it very well. It's wrong. Discard, wrong verb form is used. Instead of discard, there will be discarded. Discarded. Then plastics is either buried or burned. You can see plastics is. Plastics, it's plural, while helping verb is, it is used with singulars. So it is wrong here because helping verb is, it does not agree with our plural subject plastics. So we will write down that helping verb which will agree with plastics, that is are. A-R-E. Let us move forward now. Some countries uses the solid waste for landfilling. Some countries uses. We have read that S or ES is used with first form of verb when our subject is singular third person. But here our subject, even it is third person, but it is plural. So we can't use S or ES with the first form of verb. Uses, it's an error, and the correct word which we'll use, that will be use. So you have seen how easily we completed it. Then come to next one, that is here. Many children spend more of their time. Many children spend more of their time. More, its degree of comparison, it cannot be used here. You might have seen, or for example, if I say that most of the students know this, I'll never say more of the students. Everybody knows this. More, it is wrong here. Wrong degree is used. More, it's an error, and the correct word will be most. Of their time watch TV. If you will read this sentence, you will easily understand that it is wrongly written. Watch, wrong form. Instead of watch, there will be watching, which will be correct one. Watching TV rather than being active. Then this is an expression for time. While we are using degree of comparison, everybody knows that when we use degree of comparison, we use than, THAN. So then is wrong, and the correction is then. Okay, there were two main reasons for this strange habit. So we are talking about children, we are talking about the present. Then why were is used here? Were. It is also wrongly written. It is an error. Error will write down here. Then the correct word, that will be are. ARE. So now you have seen how easily and quickly we found the mistakes. You need lots of practice and understanding of grammar to do this type of question, and it's very simple. You will find very small mistakes, and the mistakes will be of helping verb, preposition, verb, modal, determiners, and so on. So that's all for today. Rest will do later. Thank you.